In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to capture emails as actionable tasks without leaving your inbox, keeping your work organized and easy to track. To get started, open Outlook. This works in both the new and classic versions. Head to the Add-ins area. Depending on your view, it may be labeled Get Add-ins or simply Add-ins. In the search bar, type Asana for Outlook, then click Add. This installs the official integration and connects Outlook to your Asana workspace so you can turn messages into tasks right where you're already working. Once the add-in is installed, look for the Asana icon in your Outlook toolbar. In some layouts, it appears directly on the top bar. In others, it's tucked under the three dots menu labeled More Actions. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, close and reopen Outlook to refresh your add-ins. That quick restart usually makes the icon appear and ensures everything is ready to use. Now, let's put it to work. Open any email that you want to track or follow up on. Click the Asana icon to open the add-in panel on the right side of your screen. You'll see two primary options. Choose Create Task when you want a brand new task in Asana based on this email. You can edit the task name, which typically pulls in the email subject, and you can add details from the message body into the description field. Assign the task to the right person, set a due date, and, if prompted, pick the relevant project to keep things organized. This helps you move from email requests to prioritized work with clear ownership and deadlines. Alternatively, if the email relates to work that's already in motion, select Open Asana Add-in to attach the email as a comment to an existing task. This is ideal when you're tracking updates or approvals in a single place. You can search for the task, select it, and the email will be added as a comment, preserving context for your team. That way, the conversation stays connected to the work and nothing gets lost in your inbox. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying on top of your tasks right from Outlook.